the Science Guy. Bill Nye, the Science Guy. Bill Nye, the Science Guy.
Science rules.
Bill Nye, the Science Guy.
Inertia is a property of matter.
Bill Nye, the Science Guy.
T minus 7 seconds.
Bill Nye, the Science Guy.
Oh, hi. Didn't see you there. Now that you're here, we might as well talk about multiplying and dividing integers. Numbers are everywhere. Like the numbers on that clock. Or those stake signs. Or like those days and years on a calendar. And you're probably all wondering, what is an integer? An integer is a whole number, positive or negative, that has no fraction. This is an integer. This is an integer. This is an integer. This is an integer. What? It isn't? Oh, right, because it has a decimal. And this is an integer. Oh, yeah, right, because it has a fraction. And now that you know what an integer is, I should teach you how to multiply and divide them. If both signs are the same, the product is positive. If both signs are different, the product is negative. But why, you ask? Now think about it like this, kids. 4 times negative 3 is just like saying negative 3 plus negative 3 plus negative 3 plus negative 3, which is negative 12, of course. But wait, how would you multiply two negatives? It makes it easier if you make a chart. See my pattern? Every time the number decreases, you add 4. The rules of division are very similar. A positive divided by a positive is a positive. A negative divided by a negative is a positive. A positive divided by a negative is a negative. And a negative divided by a positive is a negative.
But why, Mr. Nye?
Well, it's simple, kids. So pretend you have a problem like negative 21 divided by negative 7 equals a specific answer. Well, you should ask yourself, what times negative 7 equals negative 21? That number would be 3. Now pretend like you have a problem like this. Negative 21 divided by 7 equals a specific answer. Well, you should ask yourself, what times 7 equals negative 21? That number would be negative 3. And finally, pretend you have a problem like 21 divided by negative 7 equals a specific answer. Well, just ask yourself, what times negative 7 equals 21? That number would be negative 3. That's all, folks. Thanks for watching Matt and I, the Math Guy. I hope to see you next week for another great episode. But why, Mr. Allen?
This is on camera. This belongs to the... I don't even know I'm cracking up. Okay.
Bloopers.
I should say, why, Mr. Nye? Oh, why,